Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 30th, 2020. Yes, one day to go. And the second Sudoku will be a 4-star Sudoku, and I have already counted the printed digits, 25 again. Yes, so the question is this easier than the previous Sudoku or more difficult? I do not know because a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes. If it's really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. All right, we will see. This Sudoku will be number 2086. Alright, so let's get started. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see. How about 9797? All right. I'm scanning. Yes, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this column, so no 4 and an 8 in those 3 boxes. The 4 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1, 2, the 3 is missing here. 4, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. So the 3, 6, and the 7 are missing in this big square. We see here 7 and the 3, so no 7 and the 3 in this box. So the 7 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. All right. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4 I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. These 2 numbers are left for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the row below the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only three places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. All right. How about 3 missing numbers in the third row? One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 here. So one place left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 2 boxes left in the last row, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We see now a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Now we have a pair. We have a pair. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, a 4 and a 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 4 and the 5 should be here. 4 and the 5. I cannot place this yet. I need to wait, so I mark them for you. The other pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 3. One number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 6 should be here. One box left in this column for the number 3. 3 is missing, yes. So we have a 3 in this row. The third row, 3 in the second row. So the row above the first row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 3. 4, 3, 4, and 6. Yes. 3 missing numbers. 2. Those numbers are in this big square. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those for you. So one box left in this big square for the number 6. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column, we already have a 6 there. All right, 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 in the second row should be there. One box left in this big square for the number 4. One box left in the first row for the number 2. One box left in this column for the number 7, I believe. Yes, 7. Then, how about 4, 7, 4, 7, and 3? All right. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Can I fill this? Yes, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 5. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. Yes. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How can that be? Yes, a 4-star Sudoku. I need 30 minutes or more, and I have solved this in 12 minutes. I'm very, very pleased. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, boys and girls, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudoku movies to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary I will solve. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.